the Great Plains to Niagara, Route 66 straight to California. Electric lights carry the night. We moving forward for time, on our feet, on wheels, and in the sky. Yes, we're going because we die if we stay here. And those dying dreams will carry what's good and real and pure. And the rest can burn in hell.
There you can go.
And for the 4-year-old girl found dead in a dumpster, shot by her mother, her eulogy is the sound of construction through head-to-head traffic. Today's just another day, and me and my friends are just going into the drunks and the liars that we've always hated. Every shortcoming has trapped us, every mistake is now our own infinite failure. So steal every chance we get, every advantage is taken when no one's looking.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, that had to be the craziest fall ever. Let him rest, man.